how to change your voice into a girl voice. Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your voice into a female voice. So as you can see, we already landed in a website that name is Clownfish Voice Changer, and also I will share the link in the description, so don't take it hardly. So first of all, you can see we have option for download. If we click on download, they will redirect me to in this place. Here they give us option for download 64-bit, download 64-bit, and also the amazing thing is we have extension, so we don't need to be download it as the apps. We can add our extension in our Google Chrome. So just click over here. Once you click over here, they will redirect you to the Google Store. So here just click on add to Chrome. Once you click on add to Chrome, the pop-up will become over in your desktop. Just click here add extension. Once you click on add extension, your apps has been installed in your Google Chrome. So just click over here and you can see now you can change your voice into female pitch. Also there have some various options. You can change your voice into any alien voice. You also can change your voice into male pitch. Now you can easily prank with your friends or your colleagues. So if you found out this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to like the hit button, and also don't ignore our subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.